Now we're collecting wood. 99 nights is like a very hard day. I have 2 days now and I will survive until it is, I don't know, 99 nights. I just want the campfire is almost done. We're not reaching level 3 yet. I need to get some bunny poop. Come here, bunny. Where is the bunny poop? Where is the bunny's poop? Morsel. Let's go put it in our campfire. Okay. Come here, little boys. Yeah. Bunny poop. Nah, he gave me nothing. I cannot. Bruh, more cells. More cells. Honey, bunny poops. Get out of here. I need more to eat, so let's go do this. I went eat. Yum, 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 yum. I am lagging it. I think I am lagging. I am actually lagging. I am lagging. What you eat? What did I eat it? Store and store. I don't have a bunny. But what niya? The night is approaching. Okay. I don't have anything. What is this? 1 metal scrap and 5 boots. Okay, where are you? Where are you? Skip. Somewhere deep in the forest. Huh? Oh, ano yun? Nasa the forest. Okay. Missing child. Oh my. Let's go end this video.